Alright guys, this is round number 2, first time I somehow messed this all up. So anyway, we have 3 bullets here, 7.62 by 39. The one I have here is Golden Tiger, lacquer coated, sealed. That's the jar I had them kept in, I'll get to that here shortly. And then we have Wolf Polyformance, hollow point. And then we have Golden Bear, or Brown Bear, not Golden Bear, Brown Bear, the green box, and this is lacquer coated soft point. So I guess about a week ago I put these 3 bullets in this jar, covered them up with water and dirt to make mud, shook them up, left them in there a couple of days outside. Each day that it was outside I shook the jar up just to mix everything up, the contents, and just kind of checking on how the rust and everything was either forming or being prevented from what these are made out of, as far as lacquer or the poly coating. So what I found is that for the first few days that I had these sitting in the jar with just water and dirt or mud water, was that the Golden Tiger did not really have anything on it. The, switch these around here, the Brown Bear with lacquer coating, not sealed, had a little bit, and then the Polyformance had a little bit more than the other two. You could wipe off the rust and stuff with your hand if you just rolled the bullet, the ammo in your fingers and stuff. It just come out pretty quickly. So what I did was I took some salt, some sea salt, put it in there, shook it up and in with the jar and the water and mud and stuff. Left them in there for a few more days. So now we're up to about 6 days, 5 or 6 days. And some rust started to form just a little bit on the 3 bullets, and in the same manner as I mentioned before, the Golden Tiger, not really any. The Brown Bear lacquer coated one here, a little bit, and then the Polyformance a little bit more than the second one, and quite a bit more than the first one mentioned. So then I took them out of the jar, and I've had them sitting outside in the lid for a few days, and the lid's been filled with water along with the ammo, sitting on this deck railing, and it's rained a few times, a couple times over the last few days, and the sun's dried them out, caused rust, yada yada yada, so you guys get the point. But what we come to find out is, on this testing, the Golden Tiger has some rust, but not very much rust. You can see around where they usually put the little purple sealant where the bullet and the shell's crimped. And then on the primer there's a little bit of rust, not much. The Brown Bear lacquer coating has a little bit more rust, soft point there, and there's some rust right there. And then the third one, the Wolf Polyformance hollow point, has some wacky looking black stuff there, has a lot more rust. And I noticed the black stuff started showing up probably 4 days ago, just before, like a day, I guess a day before I put the bullets in the jar lid and took them out of the jar. But my next test is going to be to see if they shoot. I'm sure they do. An old handy dandy AK. But I just want to see if how well these were sealed, how well it held the moisture out of them. So they've been sitting outside for a little over a week now, in mud water, salt water, regular rainwater, out in the sun. Alright, I'll let you know whenever I shoot them what happens.